Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another GRT price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the GRT chart, which at the time of this recording is gearing up and has also seen a break above the 20-day MA. We have also fully maximized our target area to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4, and I believe that whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of the formation of this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And I also have a chart pattern that is in formation right here that could possibly give us a massive breakout to the upper side and also fully support the formation of this wave 5. And before I get to that part of the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening, where you can see that GRT, after making its lower low, we started that massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, having that as the first wave, then a wave 2, a wave 3, giving us a peak at around the $0.2325 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we expected a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which is an area that lies between the $0.165 mark and the $0.1442 mark, and it is within this red target area that I was expecting to see the low for that fourth wave to the lower side. And after fully maximizing our target area in the formation of this wave 4, whatever we expect next is this massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5, and sketching out a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gave me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.2762 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 5 to the upside to do. And in the formation of that wave 5, which is an impulsive wave, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 5, where I'm expecting the wave 5 right here in red, which is a microwave within the formation of this wave 5, to fully maximize our target areas and also fully maximize the formation of that wave 5 to the upside. So once the wave 5 continues to unfold, I'll be expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation. And I also have a chart pattern that is in formation right here that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side. And if I draw it out, and the chart pattern is a double bottom, and I can first connect the bottoms like that, and then draw out my chart pattern where I can have these as the first bottom. Then we have seen the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom, and I'm expecting, in case we continue gearing up, then we might see the breakout out of this chart pattern. And this is a chart pattern that normally breaks to the upper side, having the minimum target area of the breakout being given by the height between the tops and the neckline, and we can get that height and then place it above the neckline, and that gives me a minimum target area to the area at around the $0.2331 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect this breakout to the upper side to do. And in case we see the breakout, then that will be fully supporting higher prices in the formation of this wave 5. And for this move to also play out and also see the breakout and also continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5, we need to continue holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, so that we can have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up. And the moment we continue holding above the 20-day MA and also continue gearing up, the next key areas that I'll be watching are these highs at around the $0.1878 mark, because a break above those highs could trigger even higher prices in the formation of that with higher Elliot wave count 5, and also watch the wave 3 high, which lies at around the $0.2325 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And before I give you the long-term scenarios, we can first take a look at the indicators, where you can see that on the RSI, we are trading at around the 55 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. And jumping to the daily chart to give you the long-term scenarios here on the GRT chart, you can see that from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upside, seeing the all-time high at around the $2.9 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave. and after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing lower prices in a move that gave us a low at around the $0.01518 mark in what I'm terming as the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is that massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $4.6866 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.